Everyone, top up your tams outside. Right, well thanks everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for watching me sweat like... I'm not going to say any metaphors. Sweat like a pig. Yeah, thanks for doing British Birds, thanks for having us. Preston podcast. This last one's called Locomotive.